Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a flashing vertical shake edit on a CapCut. So first you're going to go to overlay, add overlay, and you are going to go to stock videos, select this white background and adjust it so it fits the whole screen. I'm just going to split it here, so have it like not like at the end of the video, but like almost at the end, like so. Go to splice, go to overlay, and make the overlay until about like 63, 65. And then what you're gonna do next is you're going to go to animation, go to fade out, select fade out and add it all the way, and you're just going to copy it to all of your videos. I only have 2 for the example, but you can have like as many videos you want, as much videos you want, I mean. And then after that I'm going to go to text, add text, and I'm just going to select a random letter. I'm just going to select the I letter. I'm also going to change the font to the blood one, or you can do classic. Go to style and select the black color for the text, and I'm just going to resize it. If I can just find the text, I'm not sure where it is because I can't see it on my screen at the moment. Hold on, let me just. Oh, because I put the opacity down. Oh, I already resized it. But if you haven't, you're just going to resize the text so it fits the whole screen. And have the opacity down to about like 18, well 15. It's up to you really. And then after that, I am going to go to animation, loop. And you are just going to choose, where is it? Choose random flash and have it at 0.1 seconds. It's really hard to adjust it. So you're just going to do that. Press the checkmark button and make sure the text is the duration is until the end of the video. Go back, go to effects, go to video effects, and you are going to go to details. Scroll down until you find vertical blur. Press the checkmark button, and I'm going to again adjust the duration to this. Go to adjust and have the blur up to 100%. Then you're going to copy, drag it down, and adjust the duration so it's longer than the first one. Go to adjust again and have it to around 75%. Copy it, drag it down again, make it longer, adjust and have it to 40%. And you're going to copy it one last time, drag it down, make the duration longer, and you're going to adjust it to 20%. And you're just going to want to copy that on the second video. And then after that, I'm going to select the clip, go to animation, and select in. Then I'm going to choose swing bottom. So let's find that first. Swing bottom, here you go. And I'm going to put it on 0.1 second. Then I'm going to go to effects, video effects, go to basic, and I'm just going to find the slow zoom effect. So let's find that now. This one, select adjust and have the speed to 1 and the range between 10 and 20, so maybe around 15. And then after that, I'm just going to have it for the first one. So let's adjust it like so, and then copy, and then just adjust it to the second clip, like so. Then I'm going to go to effects again, video effects, and go to basic, and we are going to find the shake effect. So this one, select adjust and put the speed and intensity to 2, like so, and you're gonna have the effect throughout the whole video, so just that. Then you are going to lastly select effects, video effects, and then go to basic, and then we are going to find camera shake. This one, so press adjust, have the range to 2 and the speed to 7. Press the check mark button, hold on, and then adjust it to the end of the video. And you're basically done. It's a little bit tedious, but here is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!